Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO G70 laptop, and today I will tell you more about function keys on your laptop. So the function keys are located right here from 1 to 12, and they perform some basic functions, like for example F1 usually calls up the help menu in most applications, the F5 usually refreshes the page or the window, F11 will put your video on a full screen, while F12 will enable developer tools in your browser. But your laptop has function keys for some specific actions. For example, if you use F1 key, it will mute your speaker. F2 decreases your speaker volume level. F3 increases it. Now F4 basically closes the currently active window, and F5 refreshes the desktop or currently active window. The F6 is for toggling touchpad, so if you press it once it will disable it, if you press it once again it will enable it. The F7 is for enabling airplane mode. The F8 is meant to display all currently active apps. The F9 is for turning on or off the backlight of the LCD screen. Now the F10 is for toggling the display between your main display and the external one, if you have connected one. The F10 is to project your display onto an external monitor or a projector. Now F11 decreases your brightness, and F12 increases it. And that's basically all the function keys and their functions on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.